How to permanently share location in Google Maps. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Maps. Then log into your account. You'll find your profile on top right corner of your screen. Simply click on your profile on top right and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Location Sharing, which is below your timeline and above Offline Maps. And then click on Share Location. And here, share location with the person using Messenger or any apps. After you do that, to make sure it's permanently shared, make sure your dot is in until you turn this off. After you do that, simply click on Share, and until you turn it off, your location will be shared. This is how to permanently share location on Google Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.